Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to set up Google Merchant Center with WooCommerce in 2024. Google Merchant Center lets you showcase your products on Google Shopping, driving more traffic and sales to your store. So, I'll guide you through the steps to create your account, uploading your products feed, and also connecting to your WooCommerce store. So, let's just get started and let's dive into this video. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me, I'm going to use Brave browser, and of course for you, you can use whatever you want. Once you open that, all you need to do, of course, is first of all go to Google Merchant Center. So go to the URL section in here and type Google Merchant, as an example, Center. Not Center, of course. So Center. And hit the enter button. Once you do so, you'll find yourself here. So click on this first link, which is promote your business with Merchant Center, Google for retail. So go and click on that. Once you click on it, you will be taken here. So of course, you'd like to have a Google account for that. So make sure to have one. And simply, you can click on start now at the top right corner right here, or start now on the middle. So once you click on start now, of course, you can even click on sign in to Merchant Center, ads, or whatever you want. Of course, for us, we want the Merchant Center, so you can go and click on that specifically. As you can see, we're sorry, unfortunately, your current account does not have access to any merchant's account. So of course, for me, I'll click on sign up because as we said, we don't have an account. I'll have just click on sign up. So tell Google about your business. This will help Google tailor its services to your business needs. So do you sell products online? Example, yes. Do you sell physical products? No, example. So here, do I have to enter the store, right? Well, if I have to enter no, so no, so I'll have to go and do yes. So I guess I have this store, if I'm not mistaken. And okay, so share products on Google for free. Well, your products, of course, will show. So examples will show something like that. Example, reach of the hundreds, of course, of million people looking to buy product like yours by adding your products to Google. Just as Google doesn't charge sites to show in Google search, your products can appear in products results across Google for free. So where your products will show, Google will connect you with the right customers across search, YouTube, images, and assistance. Customers will see your product listing on Google and go to your website to buy. So what do you need? You'll need your own online store. You need to have an online store that accepts payments, has clearly priced products, offer returns, and include your contact information, and product not services. You need to sell products. Services such as consulting messages and repairs can't be shown in free listing. So if you don't have your store or selling services, make sure to go to Google Ads for that. So for me, I'll just go and click on continue to merchants. So here, of course, you'll have to start by setting up a business name, then a registered country. You can get personalized email notification for that, or get invitations to participate in occasional surveys and pilots if you want to. For me, I don't want any of that, so I'll just go and click on continue to merchant center. So let's just wait for the page to load. And here we are. Welcome to Merchant Center. Next, as example, a new and simplified generation of Merchant Center, making it easier for businesses to show products on Google. Merchant Center next will continue, of course, to improve and have few updates or few new feature added gradually. So click on Get Started. So as you can see, now we'll need to set up like Google Merchant with our WooCommerce. So once we created our account, we will need to start adding our business information. And of course, once you've done this, you'll find yourself here. And now you'll have to verify your websites. So basically, you can follow the steps right here, which is add your business address, confirm your online store, add details to show your how you ship your products, add your returns policy, and add your products. You can add all of those. For me, I'll just go to this exact step, which is confirm the online store of your business. So click on confirm. And this basically will take you here. So what you'll need to do is simply enter the URL of your store. Of course, once you enter it, so as example in here, if at the moment you're not verified and you're not claimed as example, both of them. So you'll have to select how do you want to be verified. So you either get a code sent to your business email. As example, if you have a business email address or a business email address, yeah, or you can use your e-commerce platform. So if you have already using a supported platform, select to see the list or the full list below. As example, just select this and you'll be able to see it from here, which is you'll find WooCommerce in here with WordPress. You can add your HTML tag or file. If you have access to your server, this method works best for most merchants. As example, you want to upload or add HTML tag or file, it's up to you. Of course, they'll show you exactly how to do it, how to add this in, or where you should add it. An example, once you add it, you can click on verify. The same will be for uploading an HTML file, or you can go use Google Tag Manager. If you're already using Google Tag Manager on your online store, this will be very, very good. You simply have to follow the steps to do it. But for us, we'll just use this your e-commerce platform. So, example here, verify your online store. Verify your online store more easily through your e-commerce platform. Select your platforms and see the instructions. So for us, it's WooCommerce or WordPress/WooCommerce. So we'll just go and select that. So to do so, as you can see, you will need to go and copy the HTML tag generated for your online store. As example, copy it, and in a new browser tab or window, open your WordPress account and go to my site, tool, marketing, then traffic. Then scroll down to the site's verification service section. Paste the meta tag you copied from Google HTML tag section into the Google section, basically this one. And yeah, click on Save Changes. Then return here to this Merchant Center. Click on Verify your online store below to submit your online store for verification. So basically, instead of going to all of that, just go here and click on Traffic. They will take you exactly where you should be. For me, I still don't have a site, so it might not show anything. But for you, and here's an example. In this traffic exactly, you'll need to scroll down to site verification as example. So sites verification, example services. And you'll just have paste the tag you copied from the Google HTML tag into the Google section. So example in here, just paste it. Sorry, so I'll need to go and do so. After that, go and click on Save Changes. Come here, click on Verify your online store, and you'll have to wait. Just wait a little bit until you get confirmed. Of course, it might take like 2 business days or something like that. So you'll have to be patient. Once you do so, you already set up your Google Merchant Center, of course, with WooCommerce. All you need to do now is just follow other steps like add your business address, add details to show how to ship your products, add your return policy and products. Basically, finish all of those and you should be good to go. Of course, in notifications here, you'll be able to see if you get approved for the linking or not. So that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.